Welcome to the biggest tournament of the year, the JCB Premier League.
Hey JCB! IPL is everywhere. Let's play our own match.
The team worked together to build their very own stadium.
Two teams are ready. Mighty Mixers versus Super Diggers.
The match begins. The truck is ready with the bat. Final ball. Just 2 runs needed.
What a shot! That's a massive 6. Oh no! The ball is stuck in the mud.
But JCB saves the day like a true champion.
In the end, teamwork is the real winner.
Hey friends!
If you loved this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ivane's Storybook for more fun adventures.